Today we will make a 3D dynamic text emoticon package. The old rule is to open VideoAE first, click Make Video to enter the production page. First add a text layer, enter the text we want to make, and slightly enlarge the size of the text. Click Center Alignment. Now we only need to click 3D to make the text 3D, of course. The 3D effect cannot be seen at this moment, so we need to add a thickness to the text. For example, I set it to 10 here. Maybe you will see when setting the thickness of part of the text, some words will be covered. We only need to reselect a font style in Font Style at this point. Rotate to see that the text has thickness. We can change the color of the text in the Color In property, but this is too monotonous and not very good looking. I recommend using the texture effect in 3D to paste the more fancy dynamic effects in the stickers on the front foreground. And don't forget to paste the same stickers on the back. In the preview, you can see that the text now has the effect of stickers. The animation setting only needs to set the keyframe in transform. For example, here I zoom in on the keyframe at 0 seconds. And then change the zoom value to 300 at the position of 4 seconds. At this time, the system will automatically make up 0 to 4 the text changes from 0 to 300 in seconds. Have you learned that?